Pollution from fires burning in regions and states to the north of San Diego County continue to affect our air quality. This is a live look now outside. Residents, they may not actually smell the smoke, but air quality levels are bad throughout the region today. Fox 5's Andrew Nemura, he joins us now live with the latest on this. Andrew.
Well, Misha, if you've been experiencing maybe itchy eyes or an itchy throat, officials say that it will probably have a lot to do with the fires that are burning up in northern California and in Oregon and Washington. It's just the air quality is at a level of moderate and unhealthy for some sensitive groups. But we also spoke to doctors earlier today who gave a fair warning and ways you can protect yourself. San Diego County is being hit hard with high levels of particle pollution from fires burning in Oregon, Washington, and Northern California. Now officials are sounding the alarm.
I've never seen the amount of fires and amount of smoke being pumped into the air.
Robert Ryder is the interim director of the county's Air Pollution Control District. He says smoke from the north is making its way down south and blanketing most of California. Right now, the San Diego region is experiencing a moderate to unhealthy range of air quality for sensitive groups.
It's extra challenging with everything else we're going through with COVID and everything else. And so it's a very unusual time, but it's time to be mindful of your health and pay particular attention to how you're feeling in terms of your lungs, your nose, your eyes.
We are starting to see an uptick in the type of respiratory illnesses that we've been more than normal.
Dr. Seema Shah at Rady Children's Hospital is encouraging people, families, and children to limit their outdoor activities and to wear a mask. She says kids and the elderly are most at risk.
The kids with pre-existing conditions, those that have asthma, other cardiac issues, they're particularly susceptible to getting more of these respiratory type problems. And even kids that are healthy are actually going to you'll start to see changes in their respiratory status, might need an inhaler, having more trouble breathing. Those would be the things that you'd want to come to the ER for.
Well, officials are hopeful that air quality will improve later on this week. For now, we're live here from Harbor Island. I'm Andrew Nemura, Fox 5 News.